पाहत आहात तिरंगा न्यूज महाराष्ट्र चॅनल।
माननीय श्रीमती सुप्रिया सुले जी।
Sir, thank you very much. On behalf of the NCPS, I stand here to speak against the Industrial Relationship Code Bill 2026. Sir, with a heavy heart, I start this debate. Is it a coincidence? Is it destiny? I don't know what to say. Because today, the central trade unions, public sector unions, banking employees, insurance employees, electricity workers, transport workers, and unorganized laborers. These are a list of all the people who have built this nation for what it is today. And all these people are on strike today as we debate this bill. I have a lot of faith in this government as well as the Honorable Minister. I was hoping that I'm not against privatization at all. The privatization, opening up of the economy was started under the leadership of Manmohan Singh ji when he was the finance minister of this country under the leadership of the prime minister at that time. I still remember those days. Narasimha Rao ji was the prime minister, and then the entire insulated economy that we lived in was opened up and we became a global player. I do understand that Mansukh Bhai wants to lead this to have better investments, more people to get jobs, for a better India, to make it the fastest growing economy in the world. But at what cost is my questions to him. Who has built this nation? Of course, the visionaries, people who dreamt of it, large industrial homes. I'm not speaking against them at all. But at the same time, who built companies were the workers who built the companies. मेहनत किसने की? तो वहाँ के जो वर्कर है, उनका खून है, उनकी मेहनत है, और जिन्होंने इस देश को यहाँ तक लाया, थर्ड लार्जेस्ट इकोनॉमी कहते लाया, उसमें सबसे बड़ा हाथ किसी को होगा तो इस देश के किसानों का और मजदूरों का रहा है। और आज ये जो बिल लाया है वो उन्हीं के खिलाफ है। अभी मैं किसानों के बारे में नहीं कहूँगी कि ये सब नहीं है, लेकिन यूएस डील में क्या हो रहा है वो तो अलग बात है, उसकी अलग चिंता करेंगे। लेकिन आज देश में किसी भी पेपर पढ़िए नहीं तो चर्चा करिए तो ऐसे लग रहा है और